Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache folder on an Apple Mac computer. This is a quick way to free up a bit of space or just to do a quick refresh on some of the applications on your system. To find the cache folder, start by going to your desktop. From the menu bar at the top, select Go. To show the hidden library folder, hold down the Option key. You will then see Library appear. Select that. Next, find the cache folder and double-click to open it. To see how much space is being taken up in here, right-click anywhere in the blank space and select Get Info. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command and I. Back in the folder, select everything by pressing Command and A, or by going to the top and selecting Edit, Select All. Next, right-click on a folder and select Move to Trash. Finally, right-click on the trash can and select Empty Trash. Confirm by selecting Empty Trash again. You can then continue to use your computer, but I usually recommend rebooting first. And it's that easy to clear all the cache from your Apple Mac computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.